Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to scan a QR code on Instagram. Whether you're looking to connect with someone new, access exclusive content, or simply share your profile, Instagram's QR code feature makes it all seamless. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it to reveal a list of options. From this menu, select Share Profile. This will take you to a screen where Instagram automatically generates your unique QR code. But here's the key step. At the top of this screen, you'll notice a small QR icon. Tap on it. Once you've tapped the QR icon, your device's camera will open, ready to scan any QR code. Simply point your phone's camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the entire code fits within the frame for accurate scanning. And that's it. Depending on the QR code you've scanned, Instagram will either direct you to a profile, a website, or even a special promotion. It's that simple and efficient. So now you know how to scan QR codes on Instagram like a pro. This feature is perfect for networking, following new accounts, or exploring exclusive content with just a few taps. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to share this guide with anyone who might find it helpful.